Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make just show you how to install the gear workbench, how to use it, and yeah, and I'll show you the 3D printed version after to show you the gear actually works. So firstly, what we're going to do is we're going to go head on to tools and then add-on manager. Then what we're going to do is we're going to go gear, so we might as well just click GEAR. I've already installed this, but what you would normally do is you'd go uninstall and then you'd click install. Once it installs, you just click close this. So after that, you'll have this new workbench. It's under FEM. See here, gear. Now, once you have that working, I will show you how to basically get a rack and a pinion gear in. All you need to do is click this one next here, this button here, and we click the other button. Now these are already the same module, but if you want to make it bigger, you can do 4, and then you also need to make this 4. Looks like I did 2. Let's delete that one. And if you want to just angle it right, go to placement, position. I'm not going to show you how to animate it because I don't know how. It's really hard. But I will show you just a basic setup of it. And now that's basically it. All you had to do was fit into place. But the crucial thing to take away is that both modules must be the same. So this here, they must be the same. No. But if you want to learn how to get this out of Blender and just 3D print it, you'll have to go to Mesh. I haven't installed the 3D printing workbench, but I'm pretty sure there is one. But I only use Mesh. So what you basically do is you click gear, you click this, and then you just click OK. There's a bunch of settings that you can install, but I have no idea how to use them. Now you can just export the mesh and it'll come out as an STL. And then let's do it again. Meshing options. You can change these if you want. You don't really need to. And yeah, you will have to, export them separately, but that's fine. Now I will show you how the gear works. So here I have the gears. So this is the first one. This is the rack gear, the rack and pinion gear. So you can see that they actually fit together and they move together. Comment if you want to see me build a 3D model where they don't fall apart easily, but yeah, they do fit each other.